Peace and blessings, family. The one called Kimberly Miller here to share my experience with Liberty Aid Academy. I first came upon Liberty Aid in 2023 as I was doing arts and crafts in my garage, and I would always listen to YouTube videos. And for the first time, I saw a Thursday night, John and Tim. And what they said resonated with me so much that I knew that it was the missing piece to my puzzle since I've been on this journey since 2019. And nothing else sounded so real. And the main part why it was so real to me, because there was proof. There's a lot of people out here selling stuff, just saying stuff, and people are spending. I was one without proof. So as I looked into it and I studied into it, I said, yes, this is the missing piece to my puzzle. So immediately I got with my husband and we decided to go ahead and purchase the trust bundle. It was on sale at the time, so we went ahead with it. And to my surprise, after my first week, I applied for food stamps. So I've had food stamps since June of last year, which I purchased the trust in May, the end of May, and I've had food stamps ever since. I also am better in United Healthcare. They don't do much, but whatever they do, hey, it's free for me, free for my person rather. They made it, so they got to take care of it. And recently, I have registered my first and last name trust with the state. I have an EIN and a bank account and ready to start building credit with it. As I've posted in the classroom, I'm going through a few lawsuits suing creditors, trying to clean up the credit so that I can start to get business credit. So this is my journey. I want to say thank you, appreciation, gratitude, everything from my heart, Mr. John McKay, for spreading this as you were sent here to do, or you came here to do. If no one else appreciated it, I'm sure they do, but I really do. Me and my family, thank you so much. Thanks, everybody. I love you guys.